Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this cargo short that has a slit on it. This is one of the shorts that I usually use whenever I'm working at home, and I want to preserve it to be able to continue to use it. So I'm going to fix it. Okay, I'm going to put a masking tape on it. Okay, then I would turn it over. Okay, now I'm going to put a piece of cloth that I cut in this area, but I want to mark it first. Okay, so that the glue that I'm going to use is not going to be too much. Okay, what I'm going to use is this multi-purpose adhesive, which includes fiber that it can be used onto. Okay, I'll try to spread it evenly. I'm going to put this on. This way you don't have to do some sewing yourself if you're not good at sewing. Okay, it says here it should cure for about 48 hours to maximize the bonding strength. Okay, now I'm going to remove the masking tape. Okay, now I want to cover this ugly part. So we're going to put a patch in it using this flat iron. Okay, just take your time. I set the flat iron on the cotton side. Okay, there's still some ugly part, but this is just gonna be used here at home. So okay, that's it. I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.